Hear that little crack? Relax, nothing's broken back. Inside your joints there's a silent sea, synovial fluid flowing free. Tiny bubbles hiding deep, waiting for a move you keep. It's a pop, not a break, just a move that your joints make. Gas bubbles burst and fade away. You're perfectly fine, okay. Snap, crack, don't overthink.